How to use iPhone from your Mac? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new iPhone mirroring feature on macOS Sequoia or newer. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. When updating to the latest version of macOS, you should have an iPhone mirroring app on your dock. If you don't have this, you can also find it by going to the Applications folder in the Finder. Go ahead and open this app, and if it's your first time, click Continue. The first time you do this, you'll have to unlock your iPhone, and then you can choose if you would like notifications or not. And once it's good, you can click Get Started. From this point forward, enter your Mac password or Touch ID, and from there, it will connect to your iPhone, where you're able to use it on your Mac, including full mouse navigation. If the iPhone seems a little bit small on your screen, you can go to the View tab at the top and choose the size. There's currently only 3, and hopefully they'll have bigger options in the future. Once you're finished using your iPhone, scroll over it, go to the top, and hit the red X. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.